Hey everyone, this is Shivas and I hope you guys are doing well. Before moving forward with this lecture, please do check out our previous lecture where I have covered variables, data types, comments, keywords, and etc. Other topics that comes under basic Python. So today we are going to move forward with our operators. So what is an operator? An operator is a symbol used to perform operations on variables, values, which are also known as operands. So here you can see in this example a plus b. So here a is our operand, b is our operand, and plus is our operator. So we are performing addition operation on these two operands a and b. Here you can see plus is a operator and a and b are operands. Let's move with our types of operators. There are 7 types of operator: arithmetic operator, relational comparison operator, and we have logical operator, assignment operator, then we have bitwise operator, membership operator, identity operator. Let's begin with our first arithmetic operator. So arithmetic operators are basically simple math. We know what does addition do, what does subtraction do. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 10 minus 5 will generate output as 5. 10 asterisk 5 means asterisk is used for multiplication, and 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Division: 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2.0. Always remember that normal division always returns a floating point value. Like if we like divide it with any value, it will generate a floating point value. When, let me just show you. If I divide 22 by 7, if it will return us 3.14, like it will generate a floating value like this. So yeah, after that we have modulus. Modulus is basically used to return remainder, the left out remainder. So if we divide 10 by 3, we will get 1 in remainder. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. And after that we cannot divide it anymore. So we are left with 1 as remainder. Next we have floor division. So floor division is basically used to round off the value. Here I have uh, showed you guys that it will return 3.14, but in floor division what will happen if I divide 22 floor division 7, it will return us basically 3. It will round off the decimal value. After that we have exponent. Exponent is used to basically for powers. So cube of 2 is equal to 8. Next we have relational or comparison operator. So in Python or in any other languages, double equals is used to compare two values. So let me just show you with an example. Here is it. Here you can see that age is equal to 80. It does not mean that I have compared age with 18 value. It does not mean that. It means that 18 is stored in age, not even stored. It means 18 is assigned to age. Age is pointing to a memory location where 18 is assigned. It does not mean age is equal to assign. This will mean that age is equal to assign. If I write it like this, if I use double equal to, this means there's a some value I have already stored in age, and I'm checking if age is equal to 8 or not. This is what it means. So yeah, so double equal to is used to compare values. So 5 double equal to 5. So yeah, 5 is equal to 5, so it will return true. 5 not equal to 3. No, for not equal to, this is used. For 5 not equal to 3. Yeah, it is not equal to 3. So it will also return true. Greater than. 7 is greater than 5. It will return true. Less than. 3 is less than 6. It will return true. Greater or equal. 5 is greater or equal to 5. It will return true. Less or equal. It will also return true. Next, we have our logical operators. And logical operators are used to perform on two values, like used to compare two values, you can say in a way. it will always return a Boolean value. So here you can see this is our condition. I have basically not written the full syntax of a syntax like if and etc etc. It is just for you guys to understand. So you can see here 5 is greater than 3. Yeah, we know 5 is greater than 3, which means this one is true. This condition is true. After that we have and. And is basically used if both and means both condition needs to be true, then it will print true. If any of condition is false, it will just throw an false. So 2 is greater than 1. Yeah, we know 2 is greater than 1. 5 is greater than 3. Yeah, we know 5 is greater than 3. So it will print true. And what if here it was like this? So 5 is greater than 3. Yeah, we know it is greater than 3. So it will here it is true, and here 0 is greater than 1. We know it is false. So true and false, it will return false because both condition needs to be true to print true using and. While in or, any one condition needs to be true and it will print true. Like look, 5 is greater than 3. Yeah, we know it is greater than 3. So it will, so here this condition is true. And after that we have used or. 2 is greater than 2 is less than 1. No, it is not less than 1. It is false here. So true or false, it will result in true because one condition needs to be true only. Or if both are true, then it will also return true. If both conditions are false, then it will return false. Here here both condition needs to be true, then it will print true. If any of is false, then it will throw in false. After that, not of not. After that we have not operator. It reverses the result. Like here we know 5 is greater than 3, so it is true. After using not, it became false here. So if it is false, it will return in false because we know 5 is greater than 3, but not of 5 greater than 3 means it will return false. After that we have assignment operator. So I have talked about assigning values. So here I have assigned, here it is equal to, single equal to is used for assigning value. So this is how it works. X equal to 5 means 5, a integer value, is stored in a memory location X, where X is pointing. After that we have plus equal to, so X plus equal to 3 means X is equal to X plus 3. We do not have to write X again if we use like this. X minus equal to 2 is equal means X is equal to X minus 2. After that we have X multiply equals 2 is equal means X is equal to X into 2. This is all how it works. After that we have our bitwise operator. For now you guys don't have to worry about bitwise operator because we are not going to do programs based on bitwise operator because it is basically used in DSA. So for now just remember their name, and these are also known as and or not, and remember their symbol. Do not try to go deep in their significance or application. We will discuss it in when we are going to cover our DSA. Next is our membership operator. So membership operator is used to check whether something exists or not. So in and not in. So here apple is our string. You can see apple is our string. So here I'm checking A in apple. Yeah, A is present in apple. So it will print true. Not in. So Z in apple string. Here apple is string again. Z in Z. Wait a second. Z. So here you can see here is not in. So Z not in apple. Apple is a string. So Z, yeah, we know Z is not present. So it will return true. Yeah, this condition is true. Z not in apple. Yeah, it is not in apple. Next we have identity operator. So identity operators are is and is not. Basically, you'll get with this example. Here I have used a list, and A is pointing towards the memory location where this list 1 comma 2 is stored, and B is equal to A means B is also pointing to a memory location. B is also pointing to the same memory location. B is equal to A means that C C is equal to 1 comma 2. Even though both A and C seems to be same, but they are not same because it is a different list. So what will happen if I print A is B? It will return true because A and B both are pointing towards the same memory location. But what if I try to print A is C? So A is a different list, C is a different list, even though they contain same values, but they are pointing towards a different memory location. Is basically used to check whether uh, two objects have same memory location or not, and is not is just its reverse. So A is C. No, it is not. So it will throw an false. So A is not C. Yeah, we know it is not equal to C. So it will return true. Basically, here's the summary how all operators work. So arithmetic means basic maths. Comparison means used to compare values. Logical means conditions. I've already explained it to you, and or and not. After that, we have assignment for operator means operators which are used to assign values to variables. After that, we have bitwise. Bitwise works on binary operations, so we are not going to deal with it right now. So after that, we have membership used to check existence if uh, if something exists in a given data, like if A exists in apple, or one exists in a list, like if one exists in 1 comma 2 this list. This is what membership operators are used to check. And after that, we have identity operators. We have already discussed it here, that it is used to check memory compare. It is used for memory comparison, if A and B shares the same memory or not, like that. After that, we have operator precedence in Python. So what is operator precedence? So operator precedence means it decides the order in which operations are performed. Like we have studied about word mass and PEMDAS in our higher secondary school, I guess we have studied about this. So higher precedence means it will be executed first. Like if I ask you what will be the output of 3 plus 2 into 5, so you will apply board mass. So 3 plus 2 into 5 will be 5 twos are 10 plus 3, it will return 13. So order is highest to lowest. So parentheses have highest order and or has lowest order. So you guys can see here parenthesis. If there's a parenthesis in any program, it will be executed first. After that, exponent. After that, unary plus minus, and then we have multiplication, division, modulus, floor division. After that, we have addition, subtraction. Then we have comparison. Then we have logical not, logical and, logical or, like that. Here are some examples. 2 plus 3 into 4. So 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Then we have 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And 5 into 4 is 20. Next we have 2 cubed 3 to the power 3 into 2. So 2 to the power 3 is 8, and 8 to the 16. Then we have not of true means false. False or false. Both condition met. The both condition are same. So it will return. Wait a second. It will return false because both condition are false. Not of true means false or false. Both one condition needs to be true. So here both are false. So false. Next we have our input and output. Input means taking data from the user. Output means displaying data to the user. So how output works in Python? So output in Python is works with the help of this print function. Print function is used to display output on the screen. Syntax is print, and then we have value or variable you can enter here. This is how it works. Wait a second, let me show you. And I'll also discuss about separator. Before that, you can see here how it works. So I have tried to print hello and world here. So print hello world. So it will also print hello world. After that, we have 1 comma 2 comma 3. So it printed 1 comma 2 comma 3 like this. And then we have separator. Separator is basically used to separate two values. Like here I have tried to print hello as well as a world. So in default default we have in default separator we have space between both of these, so it will print like this. But what if we enter here this uh m, m dash, then it will print it like this. So here I've tried printing 1 2 3. So you guys might wonder, there is already comma, why again I have to enter comma here, and where did it went when I tried to print it? It's, the first commas that you guys can see here in 1 comma 2 comma 3 is used to separate values. Like these three are different values and I want to print it. But separate the comma used in separator is used to separate these three values again. Like I can also use this dash here. So it will basically print 1 dash 2 dash 3 like this. Now we have end parameter. It is used to change line ending, like how a line will end. You guys can think like this. Print hello. What if I did not used end here? Wait a second. Now, what if I have not used end here and simply printed it like this? Wait a second. Like this. Hello and world. It will generate hello in this line, and after that, world in this line. Like both will be printed in different lines. But after using and parameter, and equals, and equals like this, like this. Here I have given space between the two, like you guys can see space between. If I do not give space, it will be printed like this. But what if I give space here? It will print like this. It decides how the line will be going to end. Like after this hello, after hello, the compiler will move cursor to the next line to print this world if and was not there. But this and decided how the line will behave. So it, if I do not give any parameter in and, it will simply connect both of these strings. But if I give space between them, it will print like this. After that, we have printed it like this. Multi-values in, I guess. Next, we have some examples of AND parameter. This example is used to remove new line. Like here I have given space between. So this is used to remove new line. I have printed hello first, then world, and this is used to remove new line. It removed new line. The space between this double quotes removed new line and printed space here. And after that, instead of a new line, it uses space like this. I have given space here. It and here it printed. Next example have we have is used for custom symbols. Like I try to print A, then B, then C, and I used and is M dash, then we have and again M dash. It will print it like A. After A, it will use this M dash and then print B, and then again have this M dash and then C. This is how it works. Even though you guys can do the same thing using separator easily. So I guess this is our this is the thing that we have left with our uh b- wait a second. Let me just show you guys example 3. Wait a second. I guess I've my slides are messed up here. Just give me a moment. I'll correct it down. This is correct. This is correct. We have this. Yeah. So we are left with our multi-values in print. So this comma is used to print multiple values in the same line, like hello, comma, world. It will print it on same line. And basically by default, it will generate a space between both of these strings. So like I tried Python, comma 2026, it will print it on the same line. I can even print 3 values, 4 values, how many values I want to. Like if I try to print 1 8, it will print here 1 8 like this. Next we have our formatted outputs f string. It is known as f string basically. It is used to clean output. Like here I have taken a variable in which Shivansh, a string, is assigned to this variable. This variable name variable is pointing towards a memory location where this Shivansh is stored. And then we have age is equal to 18 means age is pointing towards a memory location where 18 is stored. But what if I want to print it like this? My name is Shivansh and I am 18 years old. So for this we use an F strings. Before using inverted comma, we use F, and then after that, wherever we want to our variable to be printed, we use it like this. We use curly brackets and enter the variable name. Like here I've entered name in between curly brackets. So it will when I'll generate output, it will simply print my name is Shivansh and I am 18 years old. This is how a format string works. My name is Shivansh and I am 18 years old.